blizzard in Phoenix territory. If you can just if you could just look at all this dust, like right now the snow isn't heavy here, but it is so crazy. I just want to point this out. This is like the biggest one we've had since the one when Rockridge was under construction. Just please, if anyone's hearing this, it is cold out here, and this is like the first Virginia blizzard that I have lived through. So if this is your first, please spawn back or do something else, because this is a heavy storm. I just don't know what to do here. It is so heavy. Rockridge out.